Hi guys, it's Nana here from Miscellaneous Buzz, and today I'm going to be doing my first ever episode of Slimealchemy. So, first of all, I haven't said anything yet, but thank you guys so much for 200 subscribers. We are so close to 300. We're at 284 right now at the moment, so I'm so excited, you guys, to maybe one day hit 500. That's my new goal, so hopefully we'll get there. But yeah, this series is going to be called Slimealchemy, and basically what I'm going to do on it is I'm going to be adding in weird things into slime, trying new things with slime, and yeah. If you guys don't know what alchemy means, it basically means like putting potions and stuff like that. I don't know the exact definition, but you guys can search it up yourself. So for today's episode, I'm going to be putting in shower products. So I have herbal essence, which one? This one's conditioner, this one is shampoo, and this one is Dove Winter Care. This is body wash, and oh my gosh, this smells amazing. You guys should definitely get it, but this, obviously, it's only during the winter time because it's called Winter Care, but yeah. So you guys, I've been preparing so much slime, but this is not all for just this specific video, but this is for future Slimealchemy videos. I actually have a lot more glue left over, so yeah, just wanted to let you guys know about that. And I also have this fully clear one right here, which is going to be for a special video. So yeah, but we're going to be using this one for today. I have a mat here that I'm going to use, and we're just gonna go on and get started. Okay guys, so here is the slime. It's not all clear yet because I made it yesterday and it's really gacky, but I do that on purpose because I'm putting things into slime, so the thing that I'm putting in is probably going to make it not as gacky, and might actually eventually make it sticky. But once I turn, this one used to be super duper gacky, but now it ain't. It's amazing. I know, I just ruined it. Okay. Okay, so at the end of this, I'm going to be making like a slime smoothie type thing and add them all together. And no food coloring added. I wanted this to be all of just them, like just their color. Okay, so we're going to split this into 3. So I'm gonna now do this. I'm gonna make the ones in order from actually like how I do in the shower. So that would first be shampoo. So, oh, so pretty. Guys, look how metallic it is. It's so pretty. I did 2 squirts. Hopefully that wasn't too much or too little. I'm sorry about the phone. There's always gotta be something wrong. Oh, it's made a little bubble. Okay. Okay guys, so this is what came out. It's a bit more stretchy. I really like the color, it's really pretty. So you guys, I'm actually gonna add in a bit more because I feel like it needs more so. Okay guys, so I think we can stop there with the shampoo one, but it did get stretchier, it did get stickier, but I'll go do some ASMR. Let's go on to the next one. Okay. We're gonna now do conditioner. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, we're getting this like disconnection. Okay, it's not sticky at all. I thought it was gonna act kind of lotion, but nope. I'm gonna go add in more. Guys, this worked so well. I'm gonna go do some ASMR for you guys now. It's like not sticky. It's amazing. Okay, success. Okay, so last one, you guys. I know, so exciting. We're now gonna add the Dove. And this stuff is thick. Oh gosh, this thing is old too, so. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go spread it. It looks like cream cheese. Oh. Okay, this is really weird. I don't know what is going on here. Oh gosh, this is really sticky. Hey you guys, I'm gonna go add in a bit more slime. Gosh guys, I've been using a lot of slime for this one. Okay guys, so this is the best that I could do. It's really sticky. I can't really do much ASMR. I know I'm not really making it look that sticky right now, but it's very, oh gosh, I got into my hair gray. No, but let's go in now, make this into a slime smoothie. You guys can't really see the individual colors. That was really bad because it's so sticky. No, no, it's eating my hand. Just keep on mixing. Just keep on mixing. Everything will turn out good. Just keep on mixing. Oh. So after every single one of my Slimealchemy videos, I'm gonna do a before and after. So that means this was the before, and this is the after. Obviously it wasn't that tiny little size. That'd be amazing. Whew. I think it's good. I just kept on mixing, like I never gave up, you know. So, I'll go do some ASMR for you guys, okay? Okay. So, I tried to make a swirl. It did not really work, so we're just gonna, yeah. Okay guys, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Sorry if it's not in focus right now. I can't really see, so yeah. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Please comment down below, especially if you want a shout out. And also don't forget to subscribe to become a part of the Fuzzy Wuzzy Army. And also don't forget to share my channel with your friends and family. By the way, I worked really hard on this series thing. I got a lot of things planned, and if you guys have any suggestions for me on what you want me to put in slime next, then just comment down below and I'll totally do it for y'all. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye! Fuzzy Wuzzy's out.